Hey guys, welcome to Absolute Modics. This episode's all about showing you how to do the really cheap upgrade to change your washer jets to the Insignia washer jets. Because as most people know now, the Insignia washer jets spray out a fine mist across the windscreen, where your normal ones is normally 2 jets either side. So obviously the mist covers the window better and cleans the window a lot better, and it's a really cheap mod to do. So I'm going to show you how to fit them. Alright, pull it off. Okay, let's carry on. There we go! Straight out. Yeah. And that's it, you just tap out like that. And then you grab it and you pull it out here so you can take it off. Yeah, there we go, mine's off. You have 2 to pull off. So now we can see we have the old one, 2 jets, and that one like a fan built into it, so it mists up the windscreen lovely. So bye bye old, hello new. Sweet, I'm in. Alright. Let's put it on there. We're all good? Yep. Where's the screwdriver then? Alright. And push the pipe. Put that down. How do you get my way like through? You don't, you come on. You don't. As well as you go up. Choose like the back end of that. Just push it up there. Like this. Are you red eye? Red eye. You have to put this back on. As you've seen, this protects your engine bay from all the nasty beetles and stuff. Alright, let's test it out. Who's better? Sweet! Well, hopefully now you've got your washer jets fitted, and you'll have to agree with me, it's a fantastic job over the standard 2 jets. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Feedback is always welcome, and I'd like to invite you all to the Absolute Modics community. Just go to the website, and the link is below us in the information bar, or you can also get the links directly from our channel. So hopefully I'll see you on the website.